This is an installation video for a wind deflector for a 2015 Mustang with a light bar installed. This wind deflector works with CDC light bars, Roush light bars, Celine light bars, and American Muscle MMD light bars. The wind deflector is designed to go in and out of your Mustang in under 30 seconds and stores in the trunk when not in use. Start by lowering your top and putting your seats forward. The wind deflector slides into the rear seat area using 4 brackets and 4 straps. All the brackets are coated with a plastisol and therefore will not damage or mark your Mustang. So lower the wind deflector into the rear seat area, attach the 4 straps, tilt it up, and you're ready to go. It's just that simple.
This is a close-up view of how the brackets sit on the side trim panel. They just sit on the side. One sits close to the light bar and the other sits back where the boot cover fits. This wind deflector will work with your boot cover. There are 4 straps. The silver straps attach to the side of the trim panel. There is a cutout, as you can see in this photo, from where the strap goes. So you attach the strap and then buckle it up to the front strap on the wind deflector. Attach it, pull it snug. The second set of straps attach to the child anchor system in your Mustang. If you locate the small dots on the rear seat, you'll notice there's little holes, and into those holes slide the black snap hooks. These are the same hooks that are used for a baby seat. Slide it with the tab facing down, slide it in, and it will lock into place. To remove these, you just pull back on the strap, push up the tab, and remove the strap. Removal of your wind deflector is just as easy. Push the wind deflector down, undo the 4 straps, and remove the wind deflector out of the back of your Mustang. We do supply a bag for storage when the wind deflector is not in use. Your front brackets can be adjusted so that the wind deflector does not touch your light bar. It'll come close, but it will not touch. You will see that there are spacers underneath the front brackets. You can adjust these to lower or increase the height of the light bar. So with more spacers, the wind deflector will increase in height. With fewer spacers, the wind deflector will decrease in height.